Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing a minimal workspace. Open Visual Studio Code and point it at a new project folder. Create index, HTML and style, CSS immediately, then use the live server extension to preview changes as you type. Once done, enable Emmet and IntelliSense so you can scaffold HTML faster and catch CSS property names. Make sure to save files to activate live reload. This speeds feedback and prevents guesswork when you edit markup or styles. You now write the core structure. Expand an HTML5 boilerplate and add semantic sections like header, main, and footer so content is accessible and maintainable. Link style. CSS in head and create class names that reflect purpose rather than appearance. This helps later when refactoring. Once your layout exists, switch to CSS, use selectors, flexbox, or grid for layout, and rely on VS Code autocomplete to reduce typos. While styling, inspect elements in the browser to wrap up by thoroughly testing. Open the page in Chrome and Firefox, use the device toolbar to check responsive behavior, and verify links and assets load. Once satisfied, initialize a Git repo, commit, and push to GitHub, then enable GitHub pages to publish. Make sure to clear cache or use hard reload when changes don't appear. If something breaks, first check file paths, then look for missing closing tags or console errors. These quick checks resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.